Here I'm going to show you for beginner how to create a Python file and run. So this is PyCharm. At first click here and click new project, and here is already a name. You can use your own name also. I am going to take it and create. So the project is created now. What I'm going to do, you see one file is created. I'm going to delete this. Right click and delete. I don't need this. So now right click here and new, and we are going to create a file, Python file. Right here, hello, press enter. So hello file is created. Now type here print hello world. Okay, and you can again type another text, print I am learning Python. Okay, now control S. Anyway, here you see that arrow. This is for run. If you press here, it will generate the output. Okay, this is how to create a file and run in PyCharm. This is for beginner. I will continue step by step. Any question you can type in comment. Thank you.